In Lisp, there is a concept called dynamic variables. However, in modern Lisp, lexical variables are the standard. For example, the variables used in a Fibonacci function are lexical variables. Their values are determined by where they are written in the code. But in early Lisp, things worked differently. A variable's value was determined by where it was called, not where it was defined. This is what we call a dynamic variable. In ISLisp, you can use dynamic variables like this: def dynamic x10, dynamic x equals 10, set dynamic x 20, dynamic x equals 20. The key point is that dynamic variables live in a separate namespace. So x and dynamic x are treated as different things. In modern Lisp, dynamic variables are not used very often. But they can still be useful for things like shared configuration or temporary global state.